So what happens if you combine the power of two different AIs? We gave ChatGPT prompts to come up with words for sentences to then throw into Midjourney and come up with some crazy art.
All right, Wave, give me 10 nouns, man.
Ooh, these are good ones. Now, give me 10 adjectives. Oh, okay. It's a little sus at the end. What's going on, chat?
And then hard. I feel like ChatGPT is just opening up a thesaurus and picking, well, I guess that's exactly how it works.
Damn, dude, that was profound.
We need 10 verbs now.
Dude, what is this, a motivational Instagram post?
Eat, sleep, repeat. For my noun, I'm gonna say ocean. I feel like that's a very good base to start with. Ooh, hard or loud? I think I want a hard.
Where do you want this hard ocean?
Iceland. Speak. Ooh, what is Midjourney gonna give us, man?
Oh, dude, I love this so much. This is like actually fun. So I'm gonna pick from the same list. Computer. Dude, you could do so much with computer.
Oh my God, dude, what if the AI becomes self-aware right now?
Hacks my video and edits it and posts it. 1 out of 10. How is my computer described? I'm going beautiful.
Why beautiful?
I think it opens up more options for like detail in the art. Rio de Janeiro. I gotta go there.
Okay, yeah. And what is it doing?
Eating.
Not what I was gonna pick. Okay.
I want the AI to struggle.
We're gonna have some very different art. Okay.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
That is sick, dude!
What?
Why is there a video in the top right? They made me a video?
This is like somebody's thumbnail. This is actually like kind of weird to look at, knowing like a machine made this.
Did he make
I guess
this?
he's drawing it. Like the machine drew a guy drawing the art.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my God, look at that perspective.
That's so interesting. You said eating, and Midjourney basically just put us in a diner. That's also something that's interesting about how AI interprets what we give it.
Like, it thinks that I'm describing a scene rather than just like verbatim. Is that like a steak? That looks uncooked, man. All right, let's go to ChatGPT.
10 more nouns, verbs, adjectives, and 10 more places.
All right, I need a different set of nouns.
Let's mix it up a little bit. Give me 10 nouns about gaming.
And with the first round draft pick for noun, I'm gonna go character. I feel like that just makes sense.
That's so, yeah, I feel like you could get so much with that. It's so broad.
Thrilling. Level up. Arcade. So I have a thrilling character leveling up in an arcade. Now it's your turn.
All right, give me screen. I want it to get a little bit meta. I almost want the AI to make art about AI. I'm going addicting. Customize.
What's your place?
Online gaming server. I almost want it to just like make Ready Player One. Bring me to the Oasis machine. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous?
I know.
Oh, okay. Oh, man.
The colors, dude.
Oh, dude, that's so, it's like retro. Are they all wearing the same jacket?
It looks like it, actually.
Isn't that so interesting how AI decided like a thrilling character in an arcade would wear this jacket?
This guy has like the first development of Neuralink.
Yeah. Man, I don't think mine's gonna be better than that. This looks like off of some like PC company's actual promotional material. It is off of their promotional. That's what the letters are. I think mine was just too nonsensical.
Round 3. All right, we should get a little crazy with the wording now.
Something outlandish.
Okay, so give me 10 post-apocalyptic nouns. Ooh, I like this, dude.
Oh, give me refugee.
Adjective.
Let's do wander, actually.
I like wander.
Mutated wilderness.
Dude, I feel so creative doing this.
We're not doing it. AI is doing it.
Mutated creatures. I like dangerous. Verbs? But wait, there's 2 per text, dude.
Yeah, hang on. Hey, chat, you cheated.
Radiation zone.
Wow, dude. This is going to be an interesting one. As soon as AI becomes self-aware, Detroit Become Human is a really interesting game because there are those moments of like profound depth that really make you think about AI, and then here we are using it to create the most memeable pieces of art possible.
If you had an AI robot, what would you have it do?
Honestly, dude, I don't know if like I could square the idea of owning one.
Yeah, if it was shaped in a human, I think that makes it a lot more like ominous and creepy.
Yeah.
Cause like, oh my God, you're just like in bed at night and you shut it off and it's like sitting like in your room.
Oh God.
Hi.
Yeah.
It pulls a water bottle out of its stomach and whips it at you.
Oh my god, dude. Why do we? That's another thing about media. Why do we always in media assume we want the robots to look humanoid?
Yeah.
I want the robot to look like my
box.
refrigerator. Yeah, exactly. I almost don't even want it to speak. I want it to just have a screen that I read.
So basically the refrigerator.
Yeah, just give me a Samsung smart refrigerator.
Can you give me a bottle of water?
Sure, be right back.
You just hear like
falling down the stairs.
This is yours.
So this is mine.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, dude.
This looks like a movie poster.
Yeah. Timothy Chalamet in
The Mutated Wilderness. This guy
I don't know what's going on
sad.
with the top left. Yeah, the top left, that guy is going through it, man.
This is creepy, dude.
Whoa.
Holy
I feel like yours is like the antagonist of the movie of mine.
Look at that. He has like a chia pet on top of him.
It's like organic. Let's switch it up. We just did post-apocalyptic.
Yes,
Give
I
me
like
10 wholesome nouns.
Aww. The complete shift in this video.
Yeah.
Okay, so wholesome. I'm gonna go with friendship. I like peaceful. Hug. Yeah, I'll go meadow.
Kindness. Gentle. Smile. I'm gonna go lake instead. You think people are gonna be falling in love with AI?
Yes.
You know what's interesting? There's already robots for pleasure.
For what? For what exactly?
You know what I'm talking about, man. There's robots for that. People are gonna be falling in love with them.
Can you explain in ultra realistic 4K detail?
There was a whole movie about that recently, Her with Joaquin Phoenix. Yeah, but I don't know, man. Do you think people are gonna be falling in love with AI? I don't think that's that unrealistic of a reality that we could be living in.
It'll be rare, but it's definitely possible. It'll kind of be like one of those, like a BuzzFeed.
10 OMG AI's heartbreaking moments. Number 4 will make you come.
Wait. Yeah. What? I'm at my job. Your coworker comes in. Dude, don't read number 4. His pants.
Read number 4.
Don't read it. His pants are just soaked. Okay, what if there's like a new Tinder? The programmers, they put half of the people are AI.
And the thing about that's really scary is look at how TikTok works.
Yeah.
Imagine that as a romantic partner.
That would be kind of fun though if you're bored. You know what? Let me just download AI Tinder.
What would AI Tinder be called?
It'd be like Robang.
Robay.
Robay. Oh,
although that sounds a lot like just obey, and that's kind of.
Oh yeah. It's a dominatrix app.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right, you want to check out our art?
Yeah, let's go look at the art, man.
I'm gonna go on the App Store after this. Imagine.
I'm gonna learn how to code.
Yeah, you go on the next mile. Oh my god, that's so cute!
Wow, that's adorable,
so cute,
man.
dude!
Oh, man.
Yes.
Oh, it's so adorable,
It's so
dude.
adorable. No.
Okay, what's mine look like? Aw, that's come to Sweden. It's
come to Sicily. Round 5 is gonna be absolute chaos.
So we're gonna have a different word for each category.
Okay, so for nouns, give me 10 elemental nouns. That's exciting.
Ooh.
I love this.
Give me 10 anime adjectives.
How would you describe Pirates of the Caribbean?
Swashbuckling.
Give me 10 pirate verbs.
Okay.
If swashbuckling is in this, oh my god!
Cosmic. Oh man, this is gonna be so weird. This is gonna be so interesting.
Celestial body?
Give me lightning, man. Lightning's definitely the coolest one.
I'll go ice. Flashy.
Epic.
Epic gamer moment.
I mean, give me swashbuckling.
You have to, dude.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
I'm not 100% sure. I think it just means pirate activities.
To perform adventurous acts in flamboyant manner, usually with a sword?
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh my god. This guy can swashbuckle and hold his own. I'm going attack.
I'm so excited for this.
I'm gonna go celestial body.
Cosmic dust cloud.
We're content creators. Does AI replace us?
I don't know, because there already is, I think, an AI VTuber, so it's not like it's not currently happening.
The day that AI gets funnier than me, I'm gonna be pissed.
To Midjourney! I am so excited, bro.
Oh!
Okay. Whoa.
Dude!
Whoa.
It's like an exploding lightning cloud.
I was expecting somebody on like a pirate ship.
I mean, it's literally what you wrote.
Yeah, that almost looks like it's like merch for you.
I might cut this out of the video and sell this.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
It looks like Thor's hammer right here. Dude, imagine getting hit with this, like a snowball fight.
To get sent back in time.
Yeah, it doesn't even hit your face. It just like goes through your molecules and evaporates you.
Like, I know I keep saying it, but it's so weird to think that AI made this. A machine made this.
Just ran some ones and zeros, and here we are.
That's really all that it did.
What do you think that tastes like if you lick it?
Yeah, I think it's like probably one of those things that looks delicious, but you shouldn't eat, like lava or toddy pods. I think you would probably get sent into like the 4th dimension if you tasted it because your mind just couldn't comprehend it.
I'm just like, oh, this looks good. It makes like some sound. So what do you think we've learned from today? Creating the AI generated art. What's the lesson with AI?
I think that ultimately we should be cautiously optimistic. AI should only be a tool to make our lives better.
It's like the number one word that you think of when you think of AI is fear, but I think there could be a lot of positive outcome with it. Stay human.
Don't date AI.
Unless